It's the game that's hating who. What you say?
Don't believe what I want. Got you singing in my song, but you're seeing me wrong. So what's the matter with me? This is the belief, the belief. No religion has arisen from the deep, from the dead. Darkest prison. If you listen, you will see. You will say, if collision's your decision, you will read what you saw. So forget what you know. This is me. This is tech, bro. For years I've been the next to collect a plethora of checks. Let's get extra. Is what I said to Travis. Let's go select the baddest rappers, infect the planet, leave them in. See, I'm a vet, the power. Elect the best, come and wreck your sex and test your sector. Instead of rawness like Inspector Deck, the elders rather set they specs on Mason Becker. Left on my records, if you knew my music's Hannibal Lecter, what the hell you calling for Master Flex for? Don't pester me, I won't sweat you, be on a quest to investigate your tech, my respecter. Chakra, T's and hop to these hot degrees, me and Mr. O apostrophe. Never listen to these prophecies.
What do you say? What up, G Mama Groves? Good to see you. How you doing? Y'all know G Mama Groves had a video this afternoon. Hopefully you didn't miss it. If not, I just let you know to go pull up, right? I'm with you.
So what's the matter with me? This is the belief, the belief. No religion has arisen from the deep.
From the deep.
Darkest prison, if you listen, you will see. You will say, if collision's your decision, you will read what you saw. So forget what you know. This is me. The industry treat me like a ride on the short bus. That's why I'm telling the youngsters when you retort cuss, they make your fourth fuss. Cause you went up to say I'm getting your FYE with their money and you support us. Strangers, shady, psychopaths, and juggalos. Losers, shooters, college women, and killer hoes.
Working for precious dough.
Drop it, just let it flow. Cop it, don't knock it, you block it, stop at the record store. This is Aaron Yates, this is Aaliyah and Rain. This is for little Donnie, this is for all the boys' pain. This is for the sickness of
Oh, you know how it is when you trying new things. You don't gonna always be able to have it your way. But the fact that you trying new things helps you get closer to your way. What up, Brother Zell? Good to see you. How you doing? Y'all know to go to our community wall and answer questions if you want to, you know, see if you know the answers. Ah, yeah, you know, hey. If it ain't DJ it's Tech Dive. Hey, it might be Tay Weezy. Shout out to the champ. You know, we know some good beat producers out here too. And when it comes to actual songs with lyrics, yeah, we go with the people that, you know, got something that we like to listen to.
Religion has arisen from the
deep.
From the dead, darkest prison. If you listen, you will see. You will say, if collision's your decision, you will read what you saw. So forget what you know. This is me.
Oh hell, they trying to go in. We ain't gonna listen to all of Mitch Bay with that intro. What'd he say? I never met a nigga who was pious, bro. Y'all know what time it is. Y'all already know. Welcome back, Team DWC. It's your boy TWP Popcorn. 6 p.m. on a Wednesday, 10 a.m. and on a Saturday or a Sunday. You see what I'm saying? Those are what times you come looking for your boy, because you already know it's going to be another day in paradise, and with Popcorn, we going to keep it popping. Shouts out to the video title. It says something like, this ain't what it is, but this is what it is, because you know how we do. We going to be here doing what we do, so it is what it is. Nah, I just didn't know what to name my video today, so I gave it some clickbait potential. You know, you got to clickbait them sometimes, and sometimes they don't want to hear you doing good. Hell, they want to see if you're doing bad and how you're going to come up out of it. Yeah, but you know, we're going to give them a show.